help. Look at that Tonka toy. Sounds like... Oh, what is that? You show it to me? What are you doing? What is that? What is that? Who is that?
Everything right there. I think he's going to add it.
Push again. One more time.
Here we go. I got a bag of light bulbs.
We need them.
Two out in here and one out in the bathroom.
Wow.
Honey's. Sounds like what better for them than just a bunch of light bulbs.
That's
Now she's
great.
got the time. Push. Push. There you go.
Yeah, Mommy's cracked.
Oh.
What are y'all gonna make this time?
Yeah, try. You like to roll. Okay, you ready? Okay, let's make the bear. Ready?
Now can you do it next time?
Christmas tree and snowman. Got a steam. How's he doing?
Doing great.
Merry Christmas
To
You. Hi.
How are you?
You know what day it is? Oh, it's Christmas Day.
You know Santa Claus came to see you yesterday?
Yay, Santa.
Do you know Santa came?
Good morning.
Look! Rocket!
What's this?
Rah, rah,
Hurrah for Rocket.
Look at it.
What is
Is
that?
that Rocket?
Hi.
Look, you can sit on it. Look at the rocket chair.
Yay! Bye.
Go pat,
You
pat,
gonna go
pat,
somewhere?
pat,
Pat, pat, pat, pat, pat,
Let's
pat.
go.
That's kind of cool, though, isn't it? What do you think about that? Claus brought you a stocking.
Reach inside and see what's in there. Oh, chocolate kisses, Daddy.
Oh, I want one.
And your cookies. Remember the
We'll
cookies
put
you
up for
made?
Santa Claus?
He left you a bite, though, didn't he?
Mmm.
Say thank you, Santa. What is that? Oh, wow. Look at that, Adam.
Every last stitch off. Turn it over. Turn it over, look. Thomas. This is a Thomas Christmas, isn't it?
Hi.
What is that? Oh, man.
That's cool, Dad.
Look at this. Oh. Keep pulling. Keep opening it.
Christmas. Adam,
Tell Mommy you had a wonderful Christmas.
did Santa Claus come see you?
put them up here. Rocket lands on a rocket.
Yeah.
What is this? I love you too.